3 new cleaning products I'm obsessed with, and you should be too. The new Dawn Power Spray is a game changer in the kitchen, your stove, your sink, your dishes. Clean it all with this. I love these microfiber cloths that I got on Amazon. 50 come to a pack, search Grab a Rag. They're thin, durable, use them, wash them, reuse, then you're not wasting paper towels. We're all washing our hands a lot, and I highly suggest you switch your soap to Jello. It's a plant-based hand soap with refill pods. Fill up the bottle with water, pop in 2 pods and shake. The pods will dissolve in the water and then you have great smelling hand soap. Best part is you're not buying single-use plastic bottles. You have enough pods to make 4 bottles of hand soap. Ready?
Yes.
Oh my god. What the fuck is that?
Coca-Cola.
What? Oh my god.
Ew.
Oh my god.
That's so gross.
Oh my.
This video is going to be the most liked and shared TikTok. I don't know how many it's at right now, but I have an option for you guys. It's completely free to like and share, and then be on your way. Or you can scroll. But with option number 1, you get to be a part of something. And with option number 2, there's nothing there. So the choice is yours.
Oh god, here we go. Someone brought me a PS4 with this controller, and gross. Let's clean it. I'm gonna get us some rubbing alcohol, toothbrush, Q-tips, toothpick, and of course some microfiber. Lotion.
Just finished hoovering. Looks clean. Watch this.
We're just gonna call this things that I wish people taught me before I was 30. Brand new stove, water overflows on the pot, and it burns the glass top. What do? Leave it? No. Is it ruined? Nope. My best friend. Yes, I know it's very chemically. Don't care. Coat the area that you want cleaned generously. There's even some spots over here I'm gonna get. Yes, that generously. This is the most important part. Do not touch it until it is completely dry, at least 8 hours. I'll see you in 8 to 24 hours. We're at the next morning. It should look like this. Wet with paper towels and then wipe it up. And then the burn is all gone, but you can go one step further. Brand spankin'.
Some of y'all have never cleaned a toilet, and it shows. Grab a pair of gloves and put toilet cleaner on the inside rim. Let that marinate. Grab your bathroom cleaner of choice and spray down the entire toilet. Begin wiping from the top down, making sure to wipe every part of the toilet. I like to change up my rags as I go to make sure I'm not cross-contaminating between sections. Don't forget behind the toilet seat, as this spot is often forgotten. Keep moving top to bottom, spraying everything down and wiping every surface. This is my least favorite part, cleaning under the toilet seat. You know the drill. Spray it down, wipe it down. Still working top to bottom. Don't forget the bowl and the sides of the bowl. I even like to clean the wall beside the toilet. Now that the toilet bowl cleaner has had time to sit, scrub that down and make sure to get under the rim. I like to finish by polishing with a clean, dry cloth to make sure it's dry for the next person who sits down.
Down south, hood baby, bang on the girls go crazy,
Go stupid, but you smart like an A+ student.
Cleaning the toilet is the absolute worst job in the world, so here are some products that make it a little bit more enjoyable. That's a stretch, but these products are pretty cool because I find toilet bowl cleaners so disgusting. The fact that we reuse them and don't have disposable everything is beyond me. I can't believe I'm talking about toilets right now, but I'm just trying to help you guys out because I hate doing this. I found these toilet wands by Clorox. They're pretty cool because you can just dispose of them once you're done, which is so much more sanitary. Then I got the Scrubbing Bubbles Bathroom Grime Fighter. It kills 99.9% of viruses by coronavirus. Then I cleaned everything up. Don't forget to do the back, front, all of the sides of the toilet. I think Brittany said it best, you're toxic and I'm addicted to you, which is how I feel for my cleaning products. So don't come for me in the comments saying how horrible these are for me because I already know. Then I got this cool stamp thingy that keeps your toilet smelling fresh and good for up to 8 weeks, and it's really satisfying to apply. Well, that was definitely weird. I feel like we're best friends at this point.
Today I'm going to show you guys how we clean your bathrooms at school. That closet that's usually locked is the janitor's closet with the hose and everything in it. We sweep the floor, then we take out all of your paper towels and toilet paper and mop the floor first. Then we put down that foam, that really sudsy foam that gets in between those tiles. And when you use the spinny brush, I use this brush to get places that the spinny brush can't get. And then I just go to town on the spinny brush. It's probably the funnest part of the whole thing, to be honest. Then once it's like that, you just go ahead and spray it down with the hose. Spray it towards that drain that you guys have all seen. And we just squeegee it down in there. Try not to pee in that. It would help us out a lot. But then this is the disinfectant foam that we leave on the stuff for about 5 minutes. And then after that, spray it down again. And then you squeegee it back down that pee drain. Just kidding, don't pee in it. And then that's it.